What is up, my friend? This is Dylan coming at you with a little bit of a maintenance tip today. I have referred a ton of my friends in the last year to replacing their water heaters. I've personally replaced solidly three or four on my personal properties, so I get to know a little bit about water heaters, right? So, general maintenance tip in our area in Northeast Wisconsin, because of the type of water we have, water heaters are generally 8 to 10 years as an expected lifespan. Now, there's a couple of ways to get a better, longer lifespan out of that time frame. So, here they are. One, um, after about 2 years, so if you install it in 2000, about 2002, 2003, taking every 6 months, every year, some kind of a specific time period, and shutting off the water heater and draining it completely. What'll happen is there's sediment in the bottom of the water heater that'll sit and it'll just corrode the bottom of the water heater. And then you'll see, if you ever come up to a water heater and you see water leaking out of the bottom, that's what happened. So every 6 months, once a year, doing that, you're going to get much better results. And then maybe every 3 to 4 years, having a plumber, or you can do this yourself if you know how to do it, checking the anodes and stuff like that, where you can replace. Some of them have a little anode rod that you can replace. Something to keep in mind. Appreciate you checking in, and hopefully it saves you a water heater.